I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter.
Waterloo Boy Model R was built in 1914. It was manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa. Its serial number is 1568. The owners is Travis and Shirley Jord of Rochester, Minnesota. In the early 1970s, Travis purchased the frame of this early Waterloo Boy tractor. Little did he know that it would be one of the oldest known Waterloo Boys in existence. For 5 years, he searched for the proper engine to finally complete his restoration. Travis' love of all things mechanical and his memories of growing up on the farm in Iowa inspired him to search for the earliest John Deere tractors available, most notably the Waterloo Boy. Travis and Shirley, his wife, live in Rochester, Minnesota, where he is a retired teacher. I'd like to thank him for having his tractor displayed here for others to see.
John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button